Hi everyone, I'm Gina Marciano, Marketing Coordinator here at Bailey & Galyen, and today I'll be interviewing Dixie N, our catastrophic injury attorney's paralegal here in our Dallas office, and we'll be talking about her experience working at Bailey & Galyen.
Thank you, Gina.
So Dixie, can you tell us more about your role and your background?
Sure. I am currently a catastrophic injury paralegal. I have been a paralegal for over 20 years in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in various areas of the legal field.
So what do you like most about working at Bailey & Galyen?
I really enjoy the professional and respectful work environment. Everyone's so courteous and respectful. I also like the attorney and paralegal relationship. The attorneys here are so knowledgeable and are always open to mentoring and educating the paralegal. I specifically have learned so much from the attorney I work for. I'm thankful for him for everything that he has taught me in this past year. And I also like that there's always another department that I can refer our clients to, such as if our clients are facing disability, we have our Social Security department that I can refer them to. If our clients have suffered a loss due to a catastrophic injury, we also have our probate and wills attorney, Mr. Bailey himself. And sometimes, unfortunately, our clients do face divorce, and we have the affordable financing available since a lot of my clients may already be facing financial problems due to their injury. I like that I can refer my clients to other departments within the law firm. You don't get that assistance and guidance like that anywhere else in any other law firms.
Bailey & Galyen is kind of a one-stop shop for everything.
Yes, exactly.
So what is your favorite part about your job and what excites you most?
Aside from coming to the office to such wonderful and welcoming coworkers, when I'm alone in my office, my favorite part is definitely the relationship I have with the clients. I take pride in them confiding in me and them telling me their feelings and emotions as they're facing this new life that they now have due to their injury. At that moment when we are speaking, I set aside everything and just hear them out. I take joy in helping them understand the legal process. They're not just in the dark of what they're to face, and I let them know that we'll handle the majority of the heavy lifting and the part that takes us having to strategize and understand the case, and that we will contact them in the event that we need anything from them. That's the joy I take in explaining the process to the clients.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So what do you see as your biggest accomplishment since you started here?
Definitely the knowledge that I have acquired working for such knowledgeable attorneys with Bailey & Galyen. I don't feel like I'm just e-filing documents and drafting discovery and drafting petitions. I really feel like I'm part of the case, I'm part of a team, and my input is valuable. And since I am the main point of contact for our clients, I like that I can express to them what our client is going through.
What's one thing that you wish you knew before you started here?
I definitely wish I knew the knowledge that I was going to acquire, the experience that I was going to add to my resume. If I would have known that, I would have applied much sooner. I can't imagine everything I would have learned having years of experience here.
How would you describe your work ethic?
Everyone here loves what they do, and their work ethic shows. No one is having to be micromanaged. Everyone here, I believe, is treated like a professional adult.
I agree.
Mm-hmm.
What has been your biggest lesson learned this past year?
Definitely to stay away from the dessert table at our at our office gatherings. We have so many office parties. Everyone brings such yummy food that I'm already full as it is with that. But then we have our Betty Crockers that love to bake, and they have such wonderful cakes and pies that they bring. Yeah. So definitely I learned that I was
skip out sometimes.
Yes.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah. If there's one thing you could improve, what would it be?
One area of improvement that I have identified is needed is more inter-office interactions. I really enjoy meeting other co-workers and colleagues at Bailey & Galyen. Everyone is so welcoming and friendly and fun. I wish I knew the face of the person I'm speaking with on the other side of the phone. So
yes.
Definitely more inter-office interactions maybe.
In between the different offices?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Totally understand. What is your biggest hope for the next 3 to 5 years at Bailey & Galyen?
My biggest hope is for Bailey and Galyen is to continue to grow. I think Mr. Bailey and Mr. Galyen have created such a wonderful law firm, and their demeanor, their professionalism, their kindness has definitely trickled down to everybody else within the law firm. And I just hope that because of that attitude, because of that environment, I hope that we get even bigger.
Yeah.
Yes.
In what ways do you expect to grow?
For me, I have definitely learned a lot of law and case law this past year, but I would love to learn more federal law and why certain laws apply to our case, which would be important in, say, in dispositive motions such as summary judgments or even at trial. I would like to understand more that. And also, I will be applying for law school soon, so
Amazing.
Hopefully, yes, so
Congrats.
hopefully, thank you. I get to learn more about being on the other side as being an attorney and strategic thinking of
Attorney?
the case.
Yeah, that's awesome. Congrats.
Thank you.
Well, Dixie, thank you so much for taking the time today. We really appreciate you, and we're excited for the years to come at Bailey and
too.
Galyen with you.
Thank you.